Florida Chain has long advocated for access to affordable quality health care for all Floridians, and that's basically our mission.
Let's remember our hashtag is #ForwardFlorida.
We've been very instrumental in dropping Florida's uninsured rate by about 3.4% over the last year, and that's just so exciting because we have been able to, through our marketplace work and the work of many advocates, navigators, and sisters throughout the state, open up the world of healthcare insurance to so many Floridians, and we're very, very proud of that accomplishment.
One of the things Florida Chain has done has been just constantly stay at it, stay at the job. So first it was, an increment of covering kids, then it was covering more kids, then it was helping with the ACA, and then it was all the outreach and enrollment work in a very polarized, sometimes hostile environment.
Where there's a will, there's a way, and determination to make sure that people get health care coverage. There's not much more that you could wish for.
So that's where the idea for creating a statewide network that linked up the work that was going on in different communities, and we came up with the acronym CHAIN based on the notion of linking up.
Healthcare involves every age of every Floridian, and so it's children, it's seniors, and it's many people who don't have an opportunity to access healthcare.
There will continue to be so many healthcare fights in the state of Florida. Florida continues, despite some great progress, to have one of the highest uninsured rates in the nation. And on top of making sure that people have coverage, we need to make sure they have quality, affordable coverage.
You have organizations representing doctors and representing nurses and representing hospitals and representing insurance companies, and that all is fine and good, but what organization is representing the actual patients, the consumers, the people who need health care? And that's where Florida Chain steps up.
We've been really fortunate to get great leadership from Florida Chain in efforts like the Medicaid expansion work and really trying to educate our larger base of stakeholders.
Chain has always been able to provide really solid information that a layperson can understand, and a legislator can basically share with the rest of the body.
Florida Chain is on the ground talking to consumers, finding out what's happening, feeding back. This policy change didn't work, or it did work, so you should do more of it. And then it's a constant feedback loop that is critical to making policy work, but to also making a difference in people's lives.
Florida Chain does an excellent job, I think, in advocating for consumers and helping them understand the program and the things that are available to them. And they help us understand the areas where we can improve and areas where we can refine to make the consumer experience better.
They're that one connector that brings us all together, and that's what it's about. It's about moving forward together and empowering folks to lift their voice up, and lifting their voice and making sure that their story is heard in the right places and in the right spaces.
Moving forward, Chain's role in this access issue, this quality of healthcare issue, we have a lot of work to do, but that means engaging more people. That means engaging non-traditional partners. Expanding healthcare means more now than just providing healthcare. It means providing more of a robust budget to take care of a lot of Florida's needs. So what you're doing is finding a new source of revenue to apply to land conservation, to apply for public education. And it makes Florida a better place.